My name is Phil Balagtas, and I'm a design director out of San Francisco, California. And I have over 20 years of experience as an interaction designer and a design leader. I've worked for a variety of startups, ad agencies, consultancies, B2B and B2C software organizations, and most recently for General Electric, for their aviation digital business unit, as well as McKinsey & Company. At McKinsey, I had the opportunity to serve a variety of sectors, including airlines, oil and gas, utilities, retail, and even the public sector. I'm also the founder and president of the Design Futures Initiative. We're a nonprofit that we started back in 2015 that exists for the advocacy and education of futures thinking. That includes speculative design, strategic foresight, Afrofuturism, and basically any approach that looks into the future to understand the challenges and risks that are ahead through the lens of design. As we've seen through COVID, there are a lot of uncertainties ahead. And now more than ever, we need new tools and new leadership. So we're going to talk a little bit about that, as well as creating a vision and aligning your colleagues, your clients, and your stakeholders around this common vision, and discuss how do we get people excited around new thinking, new ideas, and emerging technologies, and how do we get them to help you build towards that cause, create new strategies, new agendas towards the futures that we want, and avert our business from the futures that we don't want. So I hope you'll join us this year for this really amazing program that Echoes has developed. There's a lot of design leaders that are participating, but we hope that you'll take this class. We're gonna have a lot of fun. See you this summer.